Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to unlock Oppo mobile app lock password. How to forget Oppo mobile app lock password one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your Oppo mobile you don't know your app lock password, you forget your app lock password and you want to unlock your app. So friends, now let's see how to unlock apps. Unlock your phone. Friends, you can check Photos app is locked in my Oppo mobile. I want to unlock my Photos app, but friends you can see I don't know my app lock password. So friends, how to unlock app lock password? Open your device phone setting, scroll down here, open your phone privacy setting, open your phone app lock setting, enter your password, and you don't know your app lock password. Friends, you can see this is wrong password. How to unlock app lock setting? Friends, you can see try again in 30 seconds. So friends, we cannot try password. So friends, click here forget option, click here reset option. Friends, you know your security question answer, app lock security question answer. You can unlock your app lock setting with your security question answer. You don't know your app lock security question answer, you cannot unlock your Oppo mobile app lock. So friends, I will enter my security question answer Oppo. So friends, you can see incorrect answer, please try again. And friends, you don't know your Oppo mobile security question answer, you will have to erase all data. Open your phone additional setting, open your phone backup and reset setting, scroll down here, click here erase all data, click here erase all data setting, and you will have to erase all data. Enter your lock screen password and you can erase all data. After erase all data, you can delete your app lock password, you can remove, you can unlock your app lock password. And friends, if you remember your security question answer, you want to restore your app lock data and you want to use your app lock setting without factory reset, click here forget option, reset option, enter security question answer. You can unlock your app lock setting with security question answer. Oh space we will cut, okay option, app lock password will unlock, app lock password will forget. Click here use a different password type. Now friends, I will use pin password. My password is 11111. Use 11111. Use. So friends, you can see app lock setting, click here 11111. You can unlock your app lock setting, you can check your app lock data, and you can lock and you can unlock app in Oppo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.